guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we will learn how to easily do your eyebrow. Yes, this is beginners friendly. So if you have been having a problem with eyebrow, or if you are interested in learning how to take your eyebrow to the next level, then keep watching. Using this little gentle pull my hair inside. Then I'm just going in very gently outlining the bottom part of my eyebrow using my eye pencil. As you can see, I'm doing to where my eyebrow supposed to start all the way to where it is supposed to end. As you can see, the up part, when I get to the arch, I change the direction of my pencil to a downward motion. I draw my first eyebrow off camera, so as you can see, I'm drawing close to my pencil on a very light hand, just to make sure I connect those lines together. So this does take practice, but the more you practice, the easier you get at it. Say this is a beginner's friendly. You just need to calm down. You practice. The more you practice, the easier you get at it. It's really easy. Yes, it's really easy. So as you can see, um, I'm using my pencil to fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, the beginning of my eyebrows has more hairs than the rest of my eyebrows, so I'm just concentrating most of my feelings towards the end. Yes, I'm just taking my time to look at it to make sure both sides are the same. They have the same length, the same position, to make sure everything is okay and perfect. So I'm going to go in with say LA Girl Pro Concealer. Yeah. So with my brush, LA Girl Pro Concealer is a really nice concealer. It has many colors. You just have to find the one that match your face. So this is how the concealer looks when you open it. This is how it looks inside. So I've just drop a little of the concealer on my hand to any part of your body, to help you to make it easier for you. I do like to drop a little on top of my palm, yes, to make it everything more easier for me. So I'm going with the brush. I'm brushing, going along the line with the same I drew on the bottom part of my eyebrow. As you can see, step by step, gently all over. It takes a lot of practice, but like I said, the more you practice, the more you learn, the easier you get to it. So practice, practice, practice. Is the final product. As you can see, it's not that hard. It's really easy. So take your time and practice. As long as you know the technique and you know the shape of the eyebrow that you want to achieve, it is really easy. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, comment it down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.